Hey guys, this is DK Spencer coming at you today with Flo. Hi Flo. Hey Daniel. All right. She sounds sexier on TV. Anyway, I was packing this up for my friend David, and I really wanted to see what I could do with the box. You know, I'm not a box maker by any means. Actually, I would say that jokingly. Actually, I have made a few custom cases that actually turned out pretty good. I wouldn't a lot better than this, but this is more just to ship in. But I don't know if you guys have ever heard of this or not, but there's plenty of videos out there. But especially like the plug, this you don't need to because it's like what am I trying to say, dense cell or whatever. But the pluck, the pluck foam ones or whatever. If you get one of those and you do your little plucky thing and get your stuff to fit, look up some videos. You can take, what am I trying to say, the stuff, Plasti Dip. You can take spray Plasti Dip, and I've done that like on probably like 5 or 6 of them, and it come out pretty well. It's pretty neat, really. I'm not going to do a video on it, but there's some out there. It's pretty cool. Oh, do not get rubber cement around your airtight gun cases while I'm at that. I don't know. That was important. All right. The guy on the video, and it's, I'm going to say years and years and years ago, but I remember the guy was saying that on the video that I watched about the Plasti Dip. I don't know why that registered, but anyway, you'll see. You'll know you're watching the right video if you hear that warning. All right, so here we go. Friends don't let friends blow red caps. that don't get old, does it? Yeah, it does. All right, there's that. Scope key. All this fits. Sig Romeo, snug us a bug in a rug. All right. So that's kind of where we're going with this. I mean, I know it looks, yeah, it's wicked, ain't it? Yeah. Y'all know how I did that? Seriously. Now, look, I'll put a link in the description, but, and I'm not going to sit here and tell you can just get one of these and pick it up and go to town. No, don't do that. Watch videos, practice. You're going to want to get some, you're going to want to get some practice cases to cut up first. This is serious. But if you get you one of these, and if I don't put the link, y'all seriously remind me. I'm really bad about not doing that. But if you get one, take your time and watch and really learn how to do it. Because you can do some really pretty stuff, or you can do stuff like what I did. But either way, you got to have that special tool.